Next, a child of mass 5 kg is going around merry-go-round that makes one revolution in 3.14 seconds. The radius of merry-go-round is 2 meters. Centrifugal force they ask him to find. So merry-go-round, you know na? Merry-go-round. In schools you will find this thing na, merry-go-round. Merry-go-round. Will rotate na continuously. This is. So now you can see now here. And mass of the child, which is given as, what, tell me now, m, which is given as a 5 kg. And merry-go-round, the radius is given now, how much this is? Radius is given as a 2 meters. It makes, what, tell me now, one revolution in 3.14 seconds. So that means one revolution means one complete rotation. One complete rotation, how much time will take? 3.14 seconds. That means the time taken to complete one revolution is called time period. Time period means what? How much time will take to complete one oscillation, one revolution, one circular path. That is called as a time period. That means they given us to complete one revolution, how much time will take? 3.14 seconds. That means time period is given now, how much is value? That is 3.14 seconds will take, they are saying. Now they ask him to find the centrifugal force. Now you can see now here, as we know, omega equal to what, tell me now? Omega equal to 2 pi by t. So this is, we can say now 2 into pi means 3.14 and t value time period is how much? That is also 3.14. Then this omega value, how much you tell me now? 2 radians per second. This is the omega value we got. Now they ask him to find what, tell me now? Centrifugal force. And what is the centrifugal force you tell me now? That is Fg. Centrifugal force is also equal to centripetal force only na values. mv square by r. That is also equal to what, tell me now? mr omega square. That is how much? Centrifugal force mr omega square. So from this we can get Fg now. So m, mass is how much you tell me now? 5. R is how much? 2. And omega value 2. That is 2 square. So how much the centrifugal force now here? That is 40 newtons.